pneumatic systems play an integral part in industrial applications that utilize motion, control, and automation. Harnessing compressed air, pneumatic systems are vital for tasks requiring speed, reliability, and repeated movement. This foundational industrial concept is used in a wide array of fields, including manufacturing, packaging, pharmaceutical production, and chemical handling, to name a few. With so many applications across various industries, employees, especially industrial maintenance technicians, must have a strong grasp on pneumatic concepts and skills. Amatrol's portable Pneumatics Troubleshooting learning system is the solution you're looking for. This compact, portable training system covers the hands-on troubleshooting skills that technicians need to maintain, install, and repair pneumatic applications and components used in real-world industrial equipment. Amatrol's portable pneumatics troubleshooting features industry-standard components, including directional control valves, flow control valves, proximity switches, vacuum and pressure gauges, double-acting cylinders, and a Siemens S7-1200 PLC. These real-world components are built into a convenient, durable, portable training system that allows learners to practice skills such as adjusting the set point of a pressure switch, performing an in-circuit pressure test on a pneumatic circuit, and troubleshooting an actuator that moves out of sequence. This system features FaultPro, Amatrol's exclusive electronic fault insertion software. FaultPro allows instructors to insert more than 30 faults into the system, giving learners realistic troubleshooting practice in situations they are likely to encounter on the job. Combined with Amatrol's interactive multimedia curriculum, the pneumatic troubleshooting system provides a strong foundation in real-world maintenance, installation, and troubleshooting tasks in industrial environments. Contact your Amatrol representative today to learn more about the portable pneumatics troubleshooting system or our line of fluid power training systems.